All right, class, we're going to learn how to divide 2 and 3-digit multiples of 10 today. So the first problem I have is $60 divided by 2. Okay, we need to solve $60 divided by 2. So I'm going to think about giving my money to 2 people. Okay, so I have my $60. I want to split it into 2 people. So here's my first person. Hello, Bob. Here's my second person. We'll call Carly. Okay, so $60. I need to split it evenly between Bob and Carly. I know 60 is a multiple of 10. If we count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, that's why it's a multiple of 10. So I'm going to pretend I have this $60 in $10 bills. Now let me show you what I mean. So let me draw my cash. Okay, I have my $10 bill here, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, I have $60 split up into tens. I need to split them evenly because dividing means you're putting it into equal groups. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these tens. Let's see if it lets me. Oh, never mind. I'm going to draw arrows. Okay, so one of these tens is going to go to Bob. Okay, so Bob has $10 now. Another 10 is going to go to Carly. So Carly has $10 now. It's even, it's equal. We keep doing that until we run out of tens, but we have to make sure they have equal amounts of money. So I'm going to keep drawing my arrows. Bob gets another 10. Carly gets another 10. Bob gets another 10. And Carly gets another 10. Now this is a lot of arrows, but basically, okay, Bob got 3 of those 10s, and Carly got 3 of those 10s. So if you add up 3 10s, you get $30. So $60 divided by 2 is $30. That is our answer. So how can we double check that our division is right? Well, division, you know, is the opposite of multiplication. So to check our answer, we can multiply our answer by what we divided by. So on the next page, I can take $30 times 2 to see if I get $60. Let's go ahead and do that. $30 times 2, and we want to make sure that we get $60 as our answer because that's what we started with. So remember, cover up the 0. What's 3 times 2? 6. Now the 0 that you covered up, uncover it. You only covered 1 0, so we're just going to add 1 0 to the end. We should check, and we got $60. So our answer was right for $60 divided by 2. Now, I want you to try one, okay? What if I told you that I want you to divide $60 into 3. So $60 divided by 3. Go ahead and hit pause on this video and see if you can work out the problem. When you hit play, the answer will appear. Okay, did you get $20? If not, then let's work through the problem. Okay, $60 divided by 3. Let's think that we have 3 people, okay? One person, our second person, and our third person. Okay, let's make those $10 bills and let's hand them out evenly until we get $60. Okay, so person 1 has $10, person 2 has $10, and person 3 has $10. So right now we're at $10, $20, $30. We need to get up to $60, so let's keep passing out those $10 bills. Back to person 1. They get $10, so now we're at $10, $20, $30, $40. Okay, but we need to make it even. So person 2 gets another, and person 3 gets another. Remember, we need equal groups because we're divided. Okay, now if we count up all of our tens, we find that we get $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60. So when we split them up evenly into 3 people, each person got $20. So $60 divided by 3 is $20. Now let's double check our answer. To double check our answer, we need to take $20 times 3 to see if we get $60. Let's go ahead and try that. Okay, cover up that 0. What's 2 times 3? 6. Now, add that 0 back on that you just covered up. Bam. It worked. Now let's do a little bit of a harder one. I'm going to give you $210. And we're going to divide it by 3. Okay. Think, we have 3 people that are going to get $210 equally split. Okay? So let's draw those 3 people. Okay, we got our 3 people. Now, each person, remember, is going to get an equal amount, but altogether it's going to be $210. Remember, dividing means splitting. That's why we're drawing 3 people, because we're splitting into 3. Okay, so if we think of tens again, each person, we're going to start counting until we get to $210, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, I'm running out of room, 190, 200, 210. Now the reason I didn't draw the $10 out like last time is because I would have ran out of room. I already started to run out of room this time. But each line represented my $10 bill. Okay, so let's add up, make sure that we got $210. It's easy to make a mistake. So let's quick check. I'm going to use my mouse here, just follow along. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210. Okay, if we go back, we know that each person got an equal amount of money. Okay, now each person got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So our answer is $70. Now let's double check. Okay, Pause the video. Let's see if you remember how to double check. Okay, so we found out our answer was $70, so I took that times 3 since we divided by 3, and it turns out we did the math right. We got $210. Okay, now we are going to do a couple on your own. You're going to pause each video when I say to, and then you can hit play when you've finished your answer. Okay, the first problem is $80 divided by 4. Okay, everyone, hit pause. All right, everyone. Your answer is $20. Okay, here's a little trick. Cover up that 0 on 80. Cover that up. You'll see that you get 8 divided by 4. Now what's 8 divided by 4? 2. Okay, that 0 you covered up, put it on the end, right here. Isn't that so easy? Let's try another one. Okay, let's take $90 and divide that by 3. All right, hit pause, and when you are ready and you have your answer, hit play. All right, you should have gotten $30. Now remember the hint, cover up that 0 on the 90. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And add that 0 back on to get 30. All right, one more. $150 divided by 3. Hit pause. Okay, you should have gotten $50. If you take the 0 and cover it up, you would get 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. That 0 that you covered up, put it on the end, and you get $50. Now let's double check this one. Okay, take $50 times 3. Let's see if we get $150. What's 5 times 3? 15. And add that 0 back on. $150. It worked. Good job, you guys. You guys are experts now. If you need to rewatch something, just rewind. And you can pause, okay? Good job, everyone.